girls, and welcome to Go On Guitar. We have Tokyo Tea Room, okay? I think it's the first time here on this channel. I heard him before, but never released anything here on Go On Guitar. This one is If You Love Her, so a cool song to learn, and we'll work a lot with bar chords here because we want the high notes, okay? So that's the reason. So let's start this one up. No need for any capo usually when we work with bar chords that much. So we're going clean here. Let's take a look at the chords. I think we have 5 different chords. Yes, 5 of them. So all right, let's start with the first one, A minor. So that's a bar chord here, bar placed on the 5th fret. You bar all strings there, and then the rest will be 7 on A and 7 on D. That's the A minor. Then we have the E minor 7. So we'll go down here with the bar placed on the 7th fret from the A string and down. That means all strings except from the last E here. So 5 strings barred on the 7th position, and then the rest will be 9 on D and 8 on B. Then we have the F major 7. Alright, so you place the bar here again on the 5th fret here. You could go as far down as to just bar the G, B, and E string, just 3 strings. I think that is a little bit inconvenient, this grip there, so I usually bar all strings there, or like A string and down, so all strings except for the last E here on the 5th position. But then you're also gonna add this fingers here, the little pinky and ring finger. And so you go with 8th fret here on A string for the little pinky, and 7th on D. So that's the F major 7. So you could go down here with your bar finger since you had these 2 fingers cover up here. But yeah, this is how I hold this grip. F major 7. Then we have the D minor 7. So you just keep the chord here from F major, and the bar finger you just replace and do this. All right. So that gives us still the same bar here from A string and down on 5th position, 5 strings, and then the rest will be 7th on D and 6 on B. That's a D minor 7. And then finally we have the F. All right, so if we go back again to the F major 7, it was this grip. The only thing you need to add then is the 6th fret on B string. Not our usual F chord, but with this chord progression, it's very nice to go from F major 7 to just F and place this extra finger. So this grip gives us still the same bar finger here on the 5th fret from the A string and down, and then the rest will be 8 on A, 7 on D, and 6 on B. All right, so there we have the different chords we need. So we're gonna work with one pattern here when it comes to the strumming. So it will be down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. That's the pattern. And down, up is the first chord, and then only single down is the second chord. So we'll work with pair of chords here. So we'll look at the first transition here from the A minor to E minor 7. All right. So on the first chord, the A minor, you play down, up, and then immediately you go to the next chord and play 1 down, the E minor 7 in this case, and have a short break there. And then you go to the next chord and play down, up, and then that chord pairs up with the 4th chord, all right? So that's how it goes when it's strumming. Down, pause, down, up, down, pause, and so on. All right, so we'll take a look at the chord progression. We have A minor to E minor 7. Then we have the F major 7 to D minor 7. This is very handy, this chord switch here from the F major. You just keep the grip there and replace it with the D minor 7 like this. All right. Then you're gonna go back again for the second half. You start in the same way, A minor to E minor 7. Then again, F major 7, but now it changes to just an F. You just add this 6 frets with on the B string, from F major to this. So it's a pretty simple chord progression here. It repeats itself almost, except from the end there. It's A minor, E minor 7, F major 7, and D minor 7 on the first round. And it starts the same way, A minor, E minor, F major, and F in the last chord, second round. All right, so like I said, we work in the same way with the strumming, down, up, down, down, up, down, and so on. So slowly it goes like this. And that is not that slow, actually almost the same tempo as this song goes. It's a pretty slow tempo, this. So again, A minor, E minor, F major, D minor, A minor, E minor, F major, F. All right, so that's that. Tokyo Tea Room. If you love her, give it a try, guys. Suits very well, and if you're a guitar player like I am. So yeah, till next time, play tuned.